Hello, friends. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Our topic in this video is about shortcut keys of computer from Ctrl A to Ctrl Z. So press Ctrl A for select all. Press Ctrl B for bold. Press Ctrl C for copy. Press Ctrl D for duplicate. Press Ctrl E for alignment center side. Press Ctrl F for find. Press Ctrl G for group or go to. Press Ctrl H for replace. Press Ctrl I for italic. Press Ctrl J for justify. Press Ctrl K for hyperlink. Press Ctrl L for alignment left side. Press Ctrl M for new slide. Press Ctrl N for new document and page. Press Ctrl O for open. Press Ctrl P for print. Press Ctrl Q for quit. Press Ctrl R for alignment right side. Press Ctrl S for save. Press Ctrl T for new tab. Press Ctrl U for underline. Press Ctrl V for paste. Press Ctrl W for close the windows. Press Ctrl X for cut. Press Ctrl Y for repeat or redo. Press Ctrl Z for undo. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comments, share the video and subscribe to the channel. And press the bell icon to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.